dogs, and welcome back. Excellent. Okay, I've cleaned the stanchions on the forks as best as I can get them. There is loads of pitting. This side is really bad, but surprisingly the fork seals are okay. It's 50-50 whether they'll actually hold under proper pressure like an emergency stop. Yeah, that is as best as they'll get, but that's good. Yeah, at least something's working on the bike. Now, I haven't touched the rear shocks yet, so today's job is to clean them up and check them and test them. Keep watching. Spring is out of shape. Good, that spring's okay. Yeah, this one's alright. Yeah, this spring's got a slight bend in it. Got a curve. As long as it works though. It's just a bit of chrome cleaner. Right, that's that one done. Well, that's as good as that one's going to get. Yep, that's as best as it's going to get. Right, I'll give them a test now. really good. Despite the pitting in there, both shops are working really well. There's no leaks, so that's good. Yeah, that's excellent. It's a good result. I'm really pleased with that. It's another good job done. Well, I can score that one off the list. It's satisfying progress. So I hope you've enjoyed, folks. Much appreciate all your amazing support. Thanks for watching. And until the next one, take care, have fun and ride safe.